So in this Canva design tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the background color in Canva here inside the Canva mobile app. So once you have the Canva mobile app opened up on your device, next thing I want you to do is go to the bottom left here, or sorry, just simply just press on the background right here. Go down to the bottom to where it says color, so right in between replace and layers. I want you to press on color right here. Then once you're on this screen, if you want to use a solid color, you can go ahead and press on one of the solid colors here. So let's just say we wanted to press on purple for an example, we can make it purple. If you want to use a gradient, you can go down below and use one of the preset gradients right here. So if we wanted to use this gradient right here, we can select on this gradient, we can go back to the color green, whatever you may want. Now, if you want to use a custom color, not any of these colors listed, I want you to go to this option right here. So right in between the right behind the search bar and the color white right here, I want you to press on this option right here where there's kind of a rainbow and a plus. Press on that option right here. And then once you're in this screen, you can now go to a whole bunch of different options. So if you want to do a different shade of red, you can do that. If you want to slide the bar, maybe find more of like a turquoise color, you can do that. Just like that, and basically play around with it, use whatever shade you want, and basically that is how you guys can change the background color here in Canva inside the Canva mobile app. I hope this video helps.